Song title, Just Push a Button and Rewind. I wish I could go back in time. Just push a button and rewind. If I did things differently, maybe you would still be with me. Why I did not know you would really go. The signs were on the wall. How come I could not see them at all? You said you couldn't stay. I didn't think you would go away. Why did I not know you would really go? The tears in your eyes should have told me you were no longer happy. My eyes were open but didn't see the pain I caused between you and me. Why did I not know you would really go? I thought you would forgive me for my one-time infidelity. You said I had crossed the line, and you had to go this time. I wish I could go back in time. Just push a button and rewind.